When you're rushing around in the mornings, did you know you can ask Excel what's for breakfast? We're going to use input form controls to say how much time we have and the maximum calorie count. And down here, we'll get Excel to offer up some suggestions based on our selection. First of all, we need to switch on the Developer tab. Right-click on the ribbon and choose Customize Ribbon. Switch on the Developer tab, and then on the Developer tab, insert an ActiveX spin button. Whilst we're in design mode, we can customize the button by clicking on the properties. We want to link the button to cell G2. The minimum time for breakfast is 5 minutes. The maximum time is 20. And each time we click the button, we want the time to change in 5-minute increments. In order to test the button, we need to switch off the design mode. We can copy and paste this button and use it for the calorie count. Link the button to cell H2. Minimum calories, we'll set it as 25. The maximum as 250. Give our button a little test. In order to get some breakfast, we're going to use the filter function. And the filter function is an array function, which means it can return multiple results. The include argument is basically a condition. If we only wanted to filter cereal, in the include column, we'd say column B equals cereal. And the if empty argument is optional. If the filter returns no rows at all, we can insert our own message in here. Let's build our formula. We want to filter the entire data range, which is an absolute cell reference. And the rows we want to include have to meet two conditions. The rows in column D have to be less than or equal to our selection in cell G2. So each row will either be true or false. If we multiply those rows by the next condition, the trues will become ones and false become zeros. This principle of multiplying the conditions means that only the ones multiplied by the ones can be true. And if the filter function returns no results, we can create our own little message. Let's give our formula a little test.